Let's see. I think I'm going to get wet. Let's see, what's the date today? I think today is, I believe it's August 21st. I don't know, it's a Thursday. I'm walking about 3 blocks. I'm in Miami, Florida, walking about 3 blocks over to a little grocery store. It's been raining. We had Tropical Storm Faye come through a couple days ago. It's been raining off and on. Sometimes it pours down. Sometimes you got a few minutes here to... Don't think this thing is waterproof, this camera. That was a lightning flash. That was thunder. I don't even know what time it is. I think it's about 6 p.m. People coming home from work. Whoops. Oh, it's kind of cold. Oh, I'm going to turn this thing off. Don't want my camera to get drowned.